Agben kafe ya balachi agben nu imedibe mi akponye be mi abo affordable housing in Ghana ya medibe mi akpo fifila ikpo la ya nye Rwanda towe Rwanda Paul Kagame inye Rwanda towe pe president elego mesinam ne Rwanda towe pe president ya ina affordable housing ya to ehoyawe le Rwanda fifila elego mesinam de ya otuivo otu ehovo pio na de kemega suso de kwa mo wa ko bag plope nu ko wa kede home elekpole moji me ko ya ko le ofiane na kpobe nu sosro ka le me na mia Ghana towe aleka tututu mi le okpole mi ato elego mesinama ele nukunu wona mbe ne ezomore ene dole Ghana du come ne zomore akpo Rwanda to wa be am ekwi de ka alo efe elego mesinamde aha hadebe nu kata Paul Kagame mi onto efene na mema 1994 menye nu vie jole fimi o kake Rwanda va chikakaka chiwu Ghana duko elego mesinamde hado va sodo kyo gome fifi line me ona manyabe le nyonu kukume manyabe solime kwa okros churches we hadebe yo solime de elena nabe division le odome ya ko politics cover dare okpobe politics avana division we ata overgbe be mi awonu de kaya na ngogbe mi atowe bo project ya ora Rwanda ya makpo ele o affordable housing o we perfect na de kama susole won nyatowe vo Ghana le kami le wo elego mesinamde ma dibe na kponare ne na kpobere nu sosoro ka leme o jebe mi abo dukplo lawe Ghana dukplo lawe ejebe no yide Rwanda no va suro na de no vinye nyama ko Rwanda ko le mi abduk po mi afete mi le Africa do me mi afete mi le continent de kaji aleke ojo le Ghana yobe Gold Coast ya ko Ghana dudu eto gbedegbe ke vasedegbe enyanka ya nya tefie magbona wenye bede ba the religion we are holding on to eveliare subo imi blade tare e ya tamile kuku e ya tamele ngogbe yo elego mesinama pale yu Rwanda konkumera efenene menye ya miabo politician wede wa ya la joge elego mesinamde mele gbobe na poe ne na ko compare nu ka egbele le Ghana un afi mele ngogbe de nu ka egbele Ghana un tonyewe nye me va moji ma va fe kura o ya tefie ya ta me va moji aleko jo ya Ghana le megbede Ghana yole yobe Gold Coast first independent country in Africa mi atowe Dr. Kwame Nkrumah pe mododo yo o ga le va sedegbe ya tam Ghana to wa regret, they will keep on regretting elego mesinamde hadebe o Kwame Nkrumah ta mi atowe mi melo na me nyenyon ya tefie de no pobele nya tefie glode ekema odibe wa le ukotu wa dina de ko gbenwe mi atowe ya ta me no yovo pe nya glo yovo me ga va Africa va umi olo mi antontontonton le mi adoku mi antontonton le mi adoku cheta nu ka tutu le jojo Africa wa West Africa da nebe ya cho border cover Togo me agbaye ebe ya choko cholo Benin cover Togo me agbaye Nigeria towe iye mi atowe ngogbe 2000 ro mi le megbe yi na po video ya ko ma video none of you no po enye unpe na be sometime agbo be Ghana to menye adebe mele ngogbe de kwa o Cameroon chu video pom de do jina be de yimesusu be Ghana to wado azomo elego mesinambe o dogom le gbejina o chinambe they don't believe they Ghanaian will travel out of Ghana hadebo le mi akpobe mi konkume vonyema blewo mi chimegbento mi chimegbela gbeme nya tefie de kai magble na mi chimegbela gbeme po Ghana da Ghana affordable housing look at it Ghana affordable housing de po hora mi atowe po mi abo hora chele jojo le mi aji chele jojo le mi abe politics o me elego mesinamde chele jojo le mi abe politics o me Enyem kpenu be ma china me de be me cho Ghana. I am proud to be a Ghanaian, but I'm disappointed in the state of Ghana. I am disappointed in the politics we are playing in Ghana. The politicians are so blind. Selfish interest. Yata meleblo magag bleke bo Ghana pay affordable housing da. Ghana pay affordable housing. Bo wonku medam yatowe. Mile ngogbe dialo mile megbeva. Na MPP va ava wu NDC pajo. Na NDC va ava wu MPP pajo. Instead of national coalition. Be mi akongogbe dede. Mi atowu ku kenyebe. One of galode kutokume. 1 or 10% wo ho. Mi atowe meva moji mi aba kofe. Yata meleblo. Na nyode. Mi ma vote na amedeke o. Mi a de vote yada. Mi ma vote na amedeke o. Ne mi akwale amede ava no zieji. Yata meleblo. Janka William Penya yo glory. Be national coalition de na nyode ya ko ni acho. Na mi ma cho de mebede number 1 we will boycott. Na mi a boycott for day. Mi ava vote na national coalition. Mi ava o national coalition. Afi mi a to apongo gbedede. Hadebenuka MPP amesi amele no lede doku ele no lede ku ebro lebe MPP ebro lebe NDC ya komi le mi adoku wu po Ghana ho gbagba ora amema ma vala foji deleme po Ghana fa hoda amema vala foji deleme e kwa o mele to e ho tunwere. This structure cannot last for 20 years. This structure cannot last for 20 years. Mi le ngogbe di alo mi le ngogbe fa miatowe me dibede enye vevi enye vanchu ele vegbese ele Ghana le Togo ele afisi afi mi na mi vu mi abi doku me na mi konya tefie kozo magagbleke especially Ghana mi abo politician onya be you are no mi afi you are no mi afru ele go me siram de you are no mi afi you are no mi afru na de kema jodo yojo yata ole mi afru Yesu Kristo magbova gbo magbova cho Yehowa lefuma kpodo yo le woda Ghana ga ebuda ya menyema Ghana ga de ya buda mem ayame gbe kagbe mi ingogbe mi atowe mi abonku bia Yesu de magbova cho ya tefe ya magbo nawe no kale jojo mebede mi ma vote fe ya mo na mi a vote today ekema mi a boycott efe ya mem pay election mi a boycott na mi akọ national coalition ele go me senamde osofu Kofi Che gbo bere ne
have become so Christianized that we have lost our direction. So you go to a court of law or a court of competent jurisdiction and you hold the Bible or the Holy Quran and say, I swear by the Holy Quran or the Holy Bible to tell the truth, and you lie. But if you look at this picture of the judgment chamber in ancient Egypt, the deities are in command. So how can you go and lie? You can't lie. The justices are sitting out there, 12 of them. They are on top. And your heart is put in a scale and weighed against the feather. But if we will do the same thing today here, we will just have to make what you call it, the machine from the priest or something. Swear by it. Or I swear by Antoine that the evidence I'm going to give is the truth and nothing else but the truth. If you lie, like Ananias in the Bible, what happens to you? You have to fall dead. And that's where they said the wages of sin is death. Lying is a sin, so you don't lie. But today we go to our courts, and when you want to talk about this, they say, no. But when you go to our shrines, they have a pot of palm oil. If the day is missing, some group of people are rounded up. If you just put your hand into the gold pot or container of palm oil, if you are not the one who stole the thing, you put it in his ice water. But if you are the one who did the stealing, immediately your finger touches it, you have to throw yourself away. Because it will be too hot for you. If we go back to our roots and we re-establish that, we will not have no most of the problems you are